Hey, second grade, it is Mrs. Weberg again, and today we are going to continue to work on text evidence. So last Thursday, what we worked on is we read a short passage or a story, and then we answered some questions about that story. Today we're going to continue to do this same thing using text evidence. Now, if you don't remember what is text evidence, let's kind of review and go over it. So it says, good readers use evidence in the text to support their thinking. So if I'm asked a couple questions about a story or a passage, I'm going to use evidence in the text to help me answer my questions. Now, some skills that you can use is if I have a question, I'm going to go back into the text and find where the answer is. That, or I can highlight or underline the text that supports the answer to my question. A sentence starter that you could use is, I know this because the text says. So let's look at our activity today. Here is our activity today. You are going to read about the story or the short paragraph called The Cold Day. Okay? Then you have three separate questions. Question number 1 says, 3 things Beth and her dog do inside. And it says, list them below. So you're going to read, or you can click the blue speaker to listen to the short story, The Cold Day. As you read or listen to the story, I want you to think, what are 3 things that Beth and her dog do inside? You can go back in the story, use your finger and find them, and you're going to type them in the yellow box. Question number 2 says 2 sets of opposites. List them below. I've given you one example of an opposite in the story. One example is cold and warm. Now you need to go back in the story and find what else in the story is opposites or is a set of opposites. And you're going to type them in the last green boxes. The last question says, what words in this story describe the inside and outside settings? So you're going to, again, go back to the paragraph and you can maybe read it again or reread it and think, what do they say is the inside like? And then you're going to go back and look at or read the outside. What does it say the outside is like? And you're going to say a couple words or type a couple words into the 2 red boxes that describe the inside and describe the outside. Okay? I hope you enjoy reading The Cold Day, and we cannot wait to see what you answer. Bye, guys.